Well, hello and welcome back. This is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State College, and you are watching the Intermediate Algebra Final Exam Review Series. We are on question number 46, so let's jump in. Just a few more to go in this review series. Alright, so number 46. And they tell us to multiply or divide as indicated, and they give us square root of negative 81 times the square root of negative 4. All right. Well, some alarm bells should be going off because we know we can't have a negative under an even indexed radical, right? So let's go ahead and rewrite these radicals as positive 81 times negative 1 and positive 4 times negative 1. And of course, 81 times negative 1 gives me negative 81. And 4 times negative 1 gives me negative 4. Well, when I pull 81 out, because 81 is a perfect square, what do I get? I get 9. And of course, the square root of negative 1 is I. And then 4 is also a perfect square root, isn't it? And when I pull it out, it becomes a 2. And again, the square root of negative 1 is I. So really, this is saying 9i times 2i. Well, what is 9 times 2? Well, that gives me 18. What is I times I? Well, that gives me I squared. And you'll recall from earlier in the review series, I squared equals negative 1, doesn't it? And so really this is saying 18 times negative 1. Well, what is 18 times negative 1? Well, that's just negative 18. And so our final answer is negative 18. All right, so that would be my recommendation. I would break each of these radicals down to your positive times a negative 1 so that you can easily see what comes out of the radical. So we have perfect squares in both of these being 81 and 4, and then of course negative 1, the square root of negative 1 comes out as I. And so we have 9i times 2i gives us 18i squared. And when we replace the I squared with a negative 1, we have 18 times negative 1, giving us negative 18. All right, that was 46. Quick, painless. Let's go ahead and move on to 47. This is Joe Brownlee with Palm Beach State. Thanks for watching.